Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This morning we are going to be creating a post to go on social media for this new Country Blooms tea that I have created. It is available on my website in 3 different colours. We have the natural, the soft pink and the white. So I'm probably going to use maybe the soft pink picture and maybe a mock-up of the white. So we will jump on over to Canva and see what we can create. Okay, so we are over in Canva now and we are going to create a Pinterest bin using a template. So the templates will pop up on the side. You just need to choose one that suits what you want to do. So let's have a look at product. I think here will come up ones that I've recently used for other projects. We'll have a little scroll down, see what we can find. Something like this would be really nice. I would change the colours of the background. The other option I was thinking would be this one. I think this one is going to be right for me. So I'm going to start by popping in the t-shirt design. Okay, I think this one more would suit the website photo of the t-shirt rather than the mock-up. So we've popped our image into there. We're going to have a look at this background. I believe this is an image, so we're going to detach that and get rid of it. So it's okay to totally change a template. It just gives you the layout that you kind of want. So natural beauty product collection of the week. That is definitely not what we have here. We could write new product, new t-shirt. And it's our Country Blooms tea. Probably pop my website address in here, http gingerteas.shop, and I actually would probably make this writing a little bit bigger because it is quite small. So let's go for a little bit bigger. Play around with it a little bit. So okay, I have moved them down way too low for what I think this needs. Now I need to decide if this font is going to be right for the template for me. I think this seems a little bit more elegant and city living, so we might click on it and see if there is something that is cute that we could use instead. We're just going to have to resize some things. New t-shirt. Actually, rather than new t-shirt, maybe new design. And at the moment, I'm liking that font for this particular thing, and I'm wondering if, ooh, okay, this is giving more of the country kind of vibes for me. We need to go ahead and make this a little bigger again, because we do want to emphasize that it is a new design and it is going on our. So the colors of this actually do complement what I'm kind of trying to go for anyway, so I think we're good with that. I might just look and see if we can pop some something behind. So we're going to have a look at elements and type in Western and see if there is anything that kind of comes up. Let's see how this looks. That is not what we're going for. But we could do a cactus. We're popping it here. See what it looks like there, but then also layering it, sending it backwards. I think having it forwards is probably a better idea. And you can go ahead and change the color of this cactus if you want. Let's have a look what it looks like. So it looks tragic, that color. We'll have a look at a few different color options. I believe something like this. I think we're going to go with this one. You can also see it gives you some recommendations of other items of the same. You can click on that and have a look, more by the same artist. But we are, ooh, there's a cute background. I wonder what that would look like if you popped it on here, stretched it out, layer it to the back. Ooh, we could even take this off and have a really cute background. You know, it's always a good idea to have a look through the other magic suggestions because I'm kind of digging this. You could move your image across if you wanted. I think we'll keep it like that. And you can also alter the colors, choose the colors that would suit your design better, but I'm actually a fan of it looks fine right now, so I'm going to leave it. So we have completed that template, and now we are going to go ahead and save it, and then we will resize it and to suit Instagram as well. Okay. So to resize it, we're just going to resize a magic switch, and because I know that I want to do the Instagram square post, I could type that in up here if I wanted, but I have already recently done it, so I'm just going to click on here, click continue. Now I want to copy and resize it because I want to keep this existing design, so we copy and resize and then open that new design. Okay, as you can see, it looks a little bit strange, so we just need to play around with a few things. Like this background is giant now, so let's size it down a little. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that it is, it's obviously nicely centered. Okay, let's zoom back in a little bit. Now I want this entire design here in the middle to become a little slightly bigger. So we are gonna not do that. We are gonna select all of this by just hitting the shift key and selecting, grouping it together, and then increasing the size of it to however big you want it. I always make sure that it's aligned so that it looks good. So I am happy with that. So I have now got two different social media apps posts for a particular day done. I'm going to share them to download them onto my computer, and then I will show you how I upload that onto my Pinterest. We will be back. Okay, so we're back and we've opened up our Pinterest. You can see I have a few other scheduled pins to go out, and I've been using the templates for a few of these different pins. So we are just going to either click here to add another pin, or you could come up to Pinterest and create a pin. You are going to click and drag and drop August social media, and this is the one that I have designed for Instagram. It will also work on Pinterest, but this is the one I specifically designed for Pinterest. So I'm going to open that one, pop it in there. I always first of all want to put my destination link, so I'm going to go to my website, copy, whoops, and paste. Okay, so we've got a new design, Country Blooms Tea. Okay, so first of all we are going to pop in a title, and I'm going to choose a new design, whoops, and I have previously written what I want. Pop that title in there. I also always pop in my company name, Ginger Teas Shop or Ginger Teas. Then I want to pop a little description about it in here. So again, I've already pre-written one. Pop that in there, and really importantly is adding some alt text. And basically just describing what you see. So, Country Blooms Tea displayed on a hanger featuring a design of cowboy boots filled with colourful flowers on a soft pink t-shirt. A Western cowgirl. You're going to choose which Pinterest board you want to pop that on. I'm going to pop it in my everyday. This is for your everyday, and I am going to publish this at a later date. Probably publish it on Monday, and you choose which time you like. I find early-ish in the morning works quite well for reaching different people, and we press publish. Little time to load, and it says it's scheduled. Let's look at those scheduled. So I have staggered my pins. This one is scheduled to go out on Monday at 9 AM. We can take a little look at it. This is what it'll look like, and it will have a link directly to my website. All right, thank you for joining me today to design with Canva with their pre-made templates. It's always good to know new things about Canva or use tools that you wouldn't normally use. I love this t-shirt, so I hope it does well in sales. Right, have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.